Good day to all. I'm Saumyaa Sengupta from class 9B CBSE. I will be talking about garbage disposal today. This is how many industries dispose of their garbage, whereas this is how my family and I dispose our garbage at home. We reuse cardboard boxes as well as reuse plastic bags we get from shopping markets. We also use the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle to help us from eradicating irresponsible garbage disposal. We also have these 4 steps to help us understand and implement to eradicate irresponsible garbage disposal, such as reduce and reuse, recycle, waste treatment, landfill, and ash management. This is how Singapore manages their waste efficiently, which is very beneficial. Thank you so much.